Ever wondered how to turn your old items into useful garden tools? Welcome to our guide on creative upcycling ideas for your garden. Upcycling is not just eco-friendly, it's a treasure trove of creativity. Stay tuned to discover some creative ways to upcycle common household items into garden tools. First up, have any old boots lying around? Turn them into unique planters. Start by giving them a good clean. Next, drill a few drainage holes. Then fill with soil and plant your favorite blooms. And there you have it, an eye-catching planter that adds character to your garden. Next, let's make our feathered friends happy with a homemade bird feeder. Start by thoroughly cleaning an empty wine bottle. Attach a feeding tube or dish to its base. Finally, hang it safely in a bird-friendly spot. Now sit back and enjoy the sight of birds flocking to your new feeder. Finally, let's tackle watering with a DIY watering can. Start by giving an old milk jug a thorough clean. Next, poke several holes in the cap, fill it up with water, and voila! With this handy tool, watering your plants becomes a breeze. As you can see, upcycling not only benefits the environment, but also adds a personal touch to your garden. From boot planters to wine bottle bird feeders and milk jug watering cans, the beauty lies in these creative transformations. Remember, the only limit to upcycling is your imagination. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.